In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold in XM app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your XM mobile app, and then you want to go to the bottom left where it says markets. And usually whenever you go to the popular tab over here under markets, gold should be number one. Now, if it's not, you could go ahead and tap on the search box to the right of where it says markets. And then here you can just search for gold. So I type in gold over here. As you can see, it's going to be up there under precious metals. So simply tap on it and it's going to open up directly on the chart. There we go. And as you can see here, you can see the trade up top. You could go to news and analysis. You could go to insights, whatever you want to do. And then, of course, you can change different time frames at the bottom. That's completely up to you. So at the very bottom, if you actually want to trade it, you have the buy and sell button. So just tap on the one you want to do. For example, if I tap on the buy button right now, there we go. It's going to open up this buying window. I can select either if I want to trade in quantity or lots. So as you can see here, I have lots or quantity. You could go ahead and do whichever you want. I'm just going to leave it in quantity right now, and I'm going to do, let's do 5. And then if you want to basically create a limit order, you can tap on buy when price is, toggle that, and as you can see, you can set your own price whenever you want to purchase. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to do a order at the current market price. And then if you want to add take profit stop losses, you can tap on that as well to toggle it, set if you want it in price or amount, and then just set your take profit and stop loss if you wanna, and then you can place the order. So I'm going to leave this like that, tap on place order at the bottom. I'm going to confirm that by tapping place order again, and there we go. As you can see, it says I've bought 5 troy ounce of gold. Okay, so of course you could go and sell the exact same way. You can select how much you want to sell, either quantity lots, and again you can select a limit order if you wanna, take profit stop loss, and then you can just place the order at the bottom and then place order again, and there we go. As you can see, I've successfully sold. So that's basically how to trade gold on the app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.